Taki has decided to give me a taste of what my bike next year. Good morning! Yes, another day here at Legends, training with the Pets and Plastics guys. So yeah, let's hit some warm-up laps and let's go, boys! There we go, so all that riding on the KTM, Taki has decided to give me a taste of what my bike next year.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
A factory Kawasaki bike, so I'm gonna try and send it. Taki?
Yeah, okay, go get a feel for it and have a ride on it, eh?
And I can finally get some, now I have no excuse. The equipment is factory. We've seen how fast this guy is on his bike, so I have zero excuses now. Okay, jy's nou minus 'n bike, sorry hoor.
Ek het nou hulle. Ek het gegaan uitgekom en gesê, dis ek dink ewe net dalk huis toe gery. Dalk het hy sy werk nie gelos.
Ja, jy kan nie weg nou, ek sal hierdie vat. Bliksem is lekker.
Hoe is hy in vergelyking met daai?
Nee, fucking just hierdie ding handle en sy throttle response is daar die hele tyd. Even met die tyre wat nie grippig het. Ek voel hy gly, maar hy is nog steeds soos dadelik. Krag is dadelik daar. Dis fucking
En as jy
beautiful.
ver, ek meen vir 'n toer, jy sal nie dink as jy die twee vergelyk, ja, daar het meer torque onder.
Ja.
Maar buite die torque is dit nie 'n boerse verskil eintlik.
Die enigste ding wat ek agtergehoor, ek voel of ek baie as ek opstaan, of ek voel of ek baie taller as die bike is. Ek voel soos hier, die bike is hier onder.
Ja, so ek het so hierdie pegs op die Kawasaki's kan skuif.
Ja.
So dis kan die pegs bietjie drop vir jou, daar is ons bietjie ekstra gee. En ek ry so ek ry baie flat bars.
Flat bars, ja.
Bars is baie hoog.
Ja, nee, ek dink ek sal
So,
definitief die bars reis.
Ja, en die ander ding is hierdie triple clamps is ook baie laag en ek het die spacer uithaal. Al die ander ouens ry met die spacer. Ek hou van 'n baie flat riding profile. Maar
There we go, another awesome day at the track riding with the Peps and Plastic Kawasaki team. So much experience gained, always learning a hell of a lot with the slow to pro journey, and the slow to pro journey is really picking up now. So thank you guys all for subscribing. We've got so much stuff planned, so if you do want to be included in the journey, subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell so you can know when we put up new videos. We got so many cool stuff planned for this remainder of the year, and then 2023 is just looking crazy. There's so much stuff that's going to happen, so many opportunities, and yeah, looking forward to sharing those plans and that with you guys. But thank you guys for watching, and see you in the next one.